Welcome to grayyeonmath. We are asked to solve this problem. We have a rectangle, and inside this rectangle are two circles, circle E and F. There, the green circle is actually tangent to the sides of the rectangle, and also the yellow. And these two circles are actually given to be tangent to each other at point G. And a line is drawn from this point of tangency upwards until it reaches a point on another point on circle E, and downwards until it reaches a point on another point on circle F, the yellow circle. And the total length of that drawn line is given to be 6 units, and we are required to find the area of the rectangle. Okay, so our strategy or the main goal is to find the area of the rectangle, and we need to just find the length of this rectangle because the side is already given. Okay, and if we get the length, then it is easy to find the area of the rectangle. Okay, so for this problem, circles inside a rectangle. So we can actually find a triangle, and we can do that right triangle to be exact. So from this center, we need to draw, since they are tangent to each other at point G, then this should be a straight line to F, and we can actually draw a vertical line downwards from FE, I mean, and from this point F to the left until we form a perpendicular intersection. Okay. Okay. So first is we focus on the representation for the one leg, the shorter leg. So for the shorter leg, since the total is actually the total of the vertical or the height of the rectangle is 8. So we can label this radius of this smaller circle, the green circle, as a small letter r, and this larger as r. So if we project that line here to the left, it should be the same. So this is a capital R also. And since the total is 8, so we can actually subtract the total of R and R. So this gives us 8 minus R plus R. Okay, so next is we focus on the hypotenuse. So we have set the radius of this smaller circle to be small r, and this larger as capital R. So the hypotenuse is simply r plus r, small letter r. And for the horizontal leg of this right triangle, so uh, let's simply label this as since we have here the radius of this as r, and this is also, and I mean, while this is capital R, okay, so this length is actually uh, the length of the rectangle. So let's call it, can be called either AB or DC. So let's call this as DC minus R plus R. Okay. Okay, so to make things simpler, so let us represent this R plus R. Let RT. be equal to r plus r for simplicity. Okay, so next is we replace this r plus r with the RRT. So this becomes 8 minus RT minus R sub T. And this R plus R for the hypotenuse becomes RT or R sub T. And this for the horizontal distance, this becomes DC minus RT. Okay, so RT. So we have actually the three legs representation for the legs of this right triangle. Okay, so next is we write the equation for this right triangle. Okay, so Pythagorean theorem, since it is a right triangle, so we have here for the first leg, so 8 minus RT squared plus DC minus RT squared is equal to RT squared. And this will be our first equation. So let us label this as equation 1. So 1. Okay, so next is we should focus on this the given length, 6 unit length. So uh, this 6 unit length, uh, the total of the these two red segments, this on the green and the yellow. Okay, so let us draw a line from the center to this point of intersection, and we draw a horizontal line from the center. So we actually form a perpendicular bisector. So the horizontal line, because this one is R and this is also R, and this is actually an isosceles triangle having two sides as equal. So these two lengths are actually equal. So we let this as we can let this as x, and if that is x, since that is a perpendicular bisector, then this should be also x. And that is the same for this yellow circle. So if we draw a line from this point, the center to this point of intersection, so this is the capital R, and this is also the capital R. And since this is isosceles, okay, so these two lengths are actually equal, this length and this length. So we can actually let this length to be y, and since that is y, since this should be also y, because this is a perpendicular bisector. Okay. And this, of course, an isosceles, because an isosceles triangle. Therefore, these two lengths are actually equal. Okay, so it is given that the total length of that is actually 6. So by inspection, 2x plus 2y, the total is 6, given is 6. So we can actually factor out 2, and inside remains x plus y is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 2 is equal to x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, so, and you may ask why did we calculate for x plus y? X plus y is actually this length. Okay, so this length, x plus y, x plus y. And this x plus y is equal to this length, 8 minus RT, which is the shorter leg of this right triangle. So x plus y is equal to 8 minus r sub t. So Since we have the value earlier of x plus y to be 3, it is equal to 8 minus r sub t. And r sub t, if we put that on the left, so we have r sub t is equal to 8 minus this 3. Put that on the right. So r sub t is equal to 5. And 8 minus r sub t is equal to x plus y, which is 3. Okay. So this shorter leg is already 3. And this r sub t is equal to 5. Okay, so going back to the first equation that we got earlier. So it was 8 minus r sub t squared plus dc minus r sub t squared is equal to rt squared. So dc being the length of the rectangle. So we already got this 8 minus r sub t as 3. Uh, this is squared plus dc minus r sub t, which is 5 squared is equal to r sub t is 5 squared. So we can actually put this 3 square on the right. So we have dc minus 5 square is equal to 5 square is 25. So minus this 3 square, which is 9. Okay, so this will be 16. So dc minus 5 squared. So if we take the square root of both sides, so we have dc minus 5 is equal to 4. And therefore, dc is equal to 4 plus 5. And dc, which is the length of the rectangle, is equal to 9 units. Okay, so now that we got the length of this rectangle, so and the width is given, so we can say that the area is equal to the length, which is CDC, and the width, which is AD. So area is equal to DC is 9 and AD is 8. So the area, simply 9 times 8 is equal to 72 square units. And that is our answer. So thank you for watching until the end of the video. Please like the video if you liked our solution, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you will be updated for more math videos like this. Thank you. Bye.